PARC NX-Hybrid WLI is the first ever AFM system with built-in white light interferometer profilometry for semiconductor and related R&D metrology, process control, and manufacturing quality assurance. This new automated industrial system provides high-throughput imaging over a very large area and nanoscale metrology with sub-angstrom height resolution over the areas of interest. WLI profilometers are very useful tools for semiconductor production quality assurance because white light interferometry is among the fastest, most accurate, and versatile surface measurement techniques. However, the WLI technique can image the surface only up to micrometer range lateral resolution, and it can introduce data artifacts when scanning materials such as transparent samples. PARC NX-Hybrid WLI solves these issues by combining AFM and WLI technology into one system. When the WLI produces errors in its measurement data, the AFM scans this area with its nanoscale resolution and accuracy and swiftly corrects the data regardless of materials. This technique is also beneficial for conventional AFM applications that require much higher metrology throughput over a much wider area. The WLI module first measures a large area at a very high speed. When a hotspot area of interest is detected, the AFM immediately reviews the region and images the defect. Furthermore, the integration of WLI and AFM technologies into one system results in significant cost savings, much reduced footprints, and even new synergies. PARC NX-Hybrid WLI provides the ultimate solution for various applications ranging from large area scanning to nanoscale metrology, including quality assurance, automatic defect review, quality process control for semiconductor front-end, back-end, up to advanced packaging. PARC NX-Hybrid WLI is the most powerful semiconductor metrology tool that incorporates the best of the AFM and WLI technologies into one seamless system. For more information, please visit parcsystems.com.